Now I'm going to show you very quick how to make a transporter key and burn Superchip to be whatever car you need. Okay, so I'm going to need the key for a B111, that this is going to be a 46. So I'm taking the Superchip, putting that here, and going to a generate transporter. I'm going to go by a car, choose a Chevrolet, ID 46, Circuit Plus, exactly the one that I need, generate transporter, generate complete. Now we have another options over here that if you need to make a duplicate and clone a working key, so you're going like to transporter clone, you're putting the chip that you need to program or the key here, you do read transporter, you see it's going to give you the chip, and then you're pressing clone, you're taking the chip out, putting the new super chip in, do clone, and now over here you always choosing 46 transporter clone.
Please take out the original car key and better put in VVDI.
Putting the VVDI super chip. Copy successful. That's it.